Greetings, my name is Natalie Smith. Welcome everybody to another insightful episode on our channel. Today's topic is called the art of time management. Time is the most precious resource we have, and mastering it is key to unlocking the door to success. Today, we'll explore the art of managing time effectively, both at work and in our personal life. So if you're ready to take control of your time and elevate your productivity, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, if you find value in what you hear and see today, please don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. So let me ask you just a few questions. Are you ready? Sit back and hold tight. Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed in tasks and wondering how to identify what truly matters? In today's episode, we reveal a powerful method to pinpoint your priorities and skyrocket your productivity. Are interruptions constantly hijacking your focus, leaving you frustrated and unproductive? Stick around as we share 4 anti-interruption tips that can transform your workday. Are you tired of putting off important tasks and missing deadlines? I've got 5 practical ways to overcome procrastination and regain control of your time. Now let's outline our 3 main objectives for today's episode. We will cover how to identify tasks and priorities, how to schedule and allocate time, how to diagnose interruptions and apply anti-interruption tips, and how to tackle and overcome procrastination and boost your productivity. Understanding the art of time management is more than just a professional necessity. It's a life skill that can feel as mysterious as finding matching socks in a laundry basket. Here are some key concepts to keep in mind. Holistic time management. Balancing work and personal life require effective time management. For instance, allocating time for professional responsibilities, family and self-care demonstrates a holistic approach to managing one's time. Subjectivity in time perception. In both work and personal scenarios, the perception of time varies. Waiting for project approval at work might feel like an eternity, while engaging in a personal hobby can make time fly, emphasizing the subjective nature of time. Effective time management involves cultivating positive habits. Habitual time mastery. In a work context, habits like efficient task prioritization contribute to productivity, while personal habits such as a consistent morning routine enhances overall life management. Time management as a teachable skill. Learning effective time management techniques, whether in a career or personal pursuits, is an ongoing process of refinement and improvement. In conclusion, these 4 concepts can help to navigate the intricate dance of time in both professional and personal spheres. Embracing these principles can lead to a more balanced, fulfilling, and successful life journey. Embarking on the journey of effective time management begins with mastering the art of identifying tasks and setting priorities. Here's your compass for a more organized and productive day. Crafting a master list. Begin by creating a comprehensive master list. This serves as the epicenter of your task, including both short and long-term goals. It's your garden awaiting the cultivation of various seeds, representing responsibilities and aspirations. Forging your daily list. From the expansive master list, condense your priorities into a focused daily list. Include immediate tasks, scheduled calendar items, and strategically chosen items from the master list. Mastering the priority game. Once armed with your daily list, engage in the strategic game of prioritization. Distinguish tasks based on their urgency and importance. Allocate your energy to the tasks that align with overarching goals and demand immediate attention. It's not just about doing things, it's about doing the right things at the right time. In this journey of task identification and priority setting, you're not just managing time, you're orchestrating a symphony of productivity. Share your insights in the comments. How do you identify tasks? And what's your secret sauce for setting priorities? Your insights could be the lighthouse someone needs on their personal journey to improve productivity. So before we go deeper into the fascinating domain of time management, let's take a momentary pause. I want to express my gratitude. Thank you for tuning in. If you find value in what you're hearing, be a time management advocate. Share it with someone. Now, let's continue our journey into the wonders of mastering time. Everyone has a specific period during the day when they operate at their peak. Call it your prime time. When your energy is at the highest, work is most enjoyable and productivity reaches its crescendo. For instance, if you're a morning person, that early sunrise may be your prime time. If you thrive late in the afternoon, that's your golden hour. Recognizing your prime time is crucial because it should be reserved for your top priority tasks. In the ceaseless quest for heightened productivity, interruptions emerge as formidable adversaries, capable of disrupting the delicate balance of concentration and impeding the seamless flow of tasks. Here are 4 tips designed not just to resist interruptions, but to emerge victorious in the perpetual battle for sustained concentration and unparalleled productivity. So, tip number 1, schedule a block of uninterrupted work time. Allocate a dedicated chunk of time, maybe in the morning or late afternoon, where interruptions are minimized. Tip number 2, manage your phone interactions effectively. In the age of constant connectivity, tame the telephonic beast by asserting control over your phone interactions. Allocate set time slots for answering calls and responding to messages. Tip number 3, deal with drop-ins. Address unexpected interruptions proactively. For instance, let colleagues know your designated focus work times and request non-urgent matters be discussed outside those periods. And finally, tip number 4, discover if you are the interrupter. Sometimes the greatest disruptor is you. Reflect on your own habits to identify if you are inadvertently interrupting your own workflow. Uncover patterns and triggers that lead to self-imposed interruptions. Incorporating these anti-interruption tips can help to transform your work environment into a fortress of focus, allowing you to navigate the demands of the day with unparalleled concentration and productivity. Now that we've strengthened your work environment for better focus and productivity with anti-interruption tips, let's dive into 5 practical ways to tackle procrastination and boost your efficiency. 1. Swap tasks with a colleague. Exchanging responsibilities capitalizes on the strengths of each individual, turning one's weakness into another's strength and fostering a collaborative approach to enhance overall productivity. 2. Promise yourself a specific treat when you've completed the job. Reward yourself upon job completion, creating a personal incentive system that adds a sense of accomplishment and motivation to overcome procrastination. 3. Divide an overwhelming or complex project into manageable components. This facilitates a structured approach that minimizes feelings of being overwhelmed and promotes steady progress. 4. Building mini completions if there is no prospect of immediate results or benefits. This helps maintain motivation and a sense of progress. 5. Set up milestones for projects that have multiple processes. This provides a structured roadmap for progress and acts as motivational checkpoints throughout the project's duration. As we draw the curtains on our exploration of the art of time management, it's time for some introspection and action. Our stop, start, continue activity. What habits will you stop so that you can master the art of time management? Use this moment to shed outdated time management approaches, making room for more effective and flexible strategies in both your professional and personal life. What practices will you start embracing to enhance your time management skills? Seize this opportunity to integrate new methods that align with the ever-evolving demands of your daily schedule, ensuring a more efficient and productive use of your time. What routines will you continue that contribute to effective time management? Take a moment to acknowledge and celebrate the aspects of your current approach that consistently lead to better time utilization and goal accomplishment. I'm eager to hear your answers in the comments. Let's transform this digital space into a collaborative hub where every story becomes a source of inspiration and empowerment for effective time management. As we near the end of this episode, your support is crucial in growing our community. If you found today's insights valuable, express it by hitting the like button, sharing a video with your colleagues and friends, and subscribing to my channel. Your unwavering support serves as a driving force in fostering the creation of insightful content like today's discussion on the art of time management and propelling us forward to a more expansive reach. Let's help individuals across the digital landscape discover the keys to effective time management. Your continued support is not just appreciated, it's the catalyst that propels our collective journey forward. Thank you all for being part of this journey, and remember to learn, love and live. Stay blessed.